So hi guys, in my previous video I had mentioned that finding the right partner for your pouch printing is very difficult. So I'll quickly show how did it go for us. So basically this was the first batch, and if you see, this did not even have the below cut which has the brand name or anything, and also there were no MOQ for this, so that's the reason why I got sold, and I decided that okay, I'll give to see how the first batch comes, because if the MOQ is more than 500 it becomes very difficult as a small business to invest that much money, and if it does not go well it's completely waste, and I did not want the same thing happens with my brand at start. So if you see, there is like this paper thing, and it is like a, so basically they have just sticked the artwork by printing it, and it's extremely bad. Then post this I decided, and I changed the vendor after multiple to find the less MOQ company which is ready to take the artwork and give it to me ASAP. This was the second batch print. So if you see, the design and everything has come out to be so dark, and there is this line, and this was 500 MOQ for one design. And if you can see, it was like this just line, everything else was perfect, but the color combination and everything just went for a toss. And for this reason I was just starting, and I did not want that at start only my brand faces this issue, and I can't sell this pouch to anybody because that's not how my brand is represented. And I was very disappointed. I thought I'll quit, and I don't want to do this because not once, twice and thrice the same thing has happened, and I was like, I was just give it up because I had wasted a lot of money, because this was one MOQ. I had 4 pouches of different variants, so I give multiple design to one person only. That's the biggest mistake what I did. And also for this it took me almost a month or more for the designs to come, because they took it so long, and there was rigorous follow-up and everything, and the person did not revert. So obviously I'll comment, if you want to know the company, please ask, I'll share, and please, I have posted and given bad reviews to them also, that please don't